Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best hand blender is Vitamix Immersion Blender. Vitamix blenders have a stellar reputation for both professional and home use, and their immersion blender lives up to that standard. Thicker soups, sauces, and smoothies can be difficult to get completely smooth, and some immersion blenders can overheat as a result, but this handheld blender has the power and durability to handle tough jobs and large batch sizes every time. It has 5 speeds and can run continuously for up to 4 minutes before shutting down. Finally, the bottom heat-safe shield prevents this blender from damaging your non-stick cookware. It was both easy to use and easy to clean, and the 5-foot-long cord helped to reach between pots and faraway outlets. 5 variable speed settings, LED light display and ergonomic handle design. Scratch resistance blade guard prevents scratching and marring favorite pots and pans. Easy twist lock assembly. Powerful motor makes every blending task faster. Stainless steel body complements other kitchen appliances. Number 2 in our side is KOIOS Hand Blender. The removable 8-inch blending shaft with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The handy, stick, design lets you blend deep in a pot, bowl, or pitcher. Use it to make velvety soups, thick mayonnaise, chunky pesto, smoothies, baby food and more. Made of food-safe stainless steel. The whisk attachment provides even faster whipping of egg whites and creams. Take the hassle from baking prep with the whisk attachment. With creaming and whisking functions, this machine will make mousses, creamed mixtures, cheesecake, meringues and much more. It also comes with a 600 ml mixing beaker BPA-free for added convenience. The stainless blade is partially covered by a bell-shaped stainless housing that keeps splashing to a minimum to keep you and your kitchen spotless. This immersion blender, with 12 speeds and a turbo mode, will quickly blend fruits and vegetables to make perfectly smooth milkshakes and smoothies, as well as simple salad dressings, mayonnaise, and sauces. The KOIOS OxaSmart comes with a chopper attachment for chopping onions or herbs, a whisk attachment for whipping egg whites or heavy cream, and a blender jar for blending and emulsifying when you don't have your own container. Third in our best hand blender list is Muller Austria Multi-Purpose Hand Blender. If our top picks for immersion blenders are out of your price range, the Muller Austria stick blender is a great alternative. However, you do not give up any power in exchange for a lower price. This handheld blender has a full copper motor and 500 watts of power, making it ideal for making baby food purees, smoothies, smooth soups and sauces, and even homemade peanut or almond butter. According to customers, everything about this blender feels sturdy, durable, and well made, and it is comparable to blenders that cost twice as much. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby food, and the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition. Our fourth pick is Cuisinart Hand Blender. Cuisinart is perhaps the most well-known brand in food processors, and this immersion blender lives up to the company's reputation. It has a button for continuous or pulse blending, as well as variable speed control, so you can choose the exact speed you want, rather than relying on preset high and low settings that may or may not be appropriate for you. It includes a jar for blending smoothies or making mayonnaise, a chopper attachment for making salsas and chopping vegetables, and a whisk attachment for making whipped cream or beating eggs. The variable speed is useful for blending softer foods like avocados or splatter-prone recipes. Versatile and durable, the Cuisinart 300-watt Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender switches from low to high speed quickly. Comfort grip handle with push button for continuous action and variable speed slide control. Versatile and durable, this kitchen essential provides the high performance today's home chefs demand. Equipped with a 300-watt DC motor that delivers maximum power with minimum noise, the Smart Stick variable speed hand blender switches from low to high speed at the turn of a dial. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is All-Clad Cordless Hand Blender. The All-Clad Cordless Hand Blender offers the high performance of a premium corded immersion blender without the inconvenience of a cord. The removable shaft also allows for storage in small spaces where the full blender may not fit. It is critical to note that the components of this blender should only be hand-washed. This is a powerful immersion blender with a variable 5-speed setting that allows you to fine-tune the texture of your refried beans, soups, or pureed vegetables. Because the blade shroud provides ample space, you can even use this to quickly chop nuts. This cordless model has the same power as the previously reviewed blender, 600 watts, but you'll pay a premium for the convenience of not having to deal with a cord. It includes a charging base that also serves as upright storage housing. While this does not include any accessories that you might find with other blenders, a mini chopper and a whisk can be purchased separately if you require them.